Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share how to make wear at home, and this is super easy, not that very hard, but you need some basic knowledge to make wear at home. So if you're a designer or if you have passion designing at home, then just keep watching this video because I'm going to share the details on how to make wear for yourself at home. So the very first thing, guys, you need the knowledge what kind of fabric you should choose for making wear. So you need a sewing machine, matching threads, and also the fabric. And I recommend using stretchy or spandex fabric. Spandex fabric are so stretchy that we definitely use making wear. And the second important thing is using bra pattern for the perfect shape and structure. I have shared all these videos on my channel, you can check them out, and how to make the different bra pattern for different bra sizes and different bra. And also don't forget to check this out on my channel, guys. And if you need any kind of material, then you can just comment below, I'll share the link. And this is a underwear pattern also. And these are the wear that I made myself at home. I have made this using pure cotton fabric. I have attached elastic, and this one is also cotton fabric. And the next thing is I have made this push-up bra. I have used spandex fabric for this. And also I have made this padded strapless bra at home. So, and this is the underwear that I made. So I have shared all the stuffs on my channel. You can check these DIYs at my channel. And also this is a normal spandex wear. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to ask more, then just comment below. And also if you want to buy something, then just comment below, I'll share the material link.